Okay, first layer's off. Now it's to that.
Do I have to be gentle? Oh my god. Now the red. Newspaper underneath.
This is that song!
What song?
The song that's in that movie! That we tried to figure out what song it is.
This? Oh, yeah it is.
Oh, what song is this?
Oh my god.
Pause it real quick, because I'm gonna song ID this song real quick.
Oh my god. It's Christmas comics. Are you kidding me? Duct tape? Oh my. How am I supposed to get this open? I was hoping that was a big one.
Put like 6-inch strips all around.
I put...
I'm not even gonna want
It
to.
better not be like a small little.
Move all this out of the way.
My arms are so sore from the gym.
Open it from this way, by the way. Don't open it. Don't take the easy way out, because you have to open it the other way.
Why?
You have to. I think. Actually, it doesn't really matter.
What? I'm at a dead end. Hold on, something's in the box.
You can open it. Yeah, you can open
can?
it. Yeah.
Oh my god! Wait, can I just rip it like you?
No, you have to open it.
Yeah, this would be really funny when I did
I
that.
know. That's the only reason why I wanted you to do it out there. Be careful.
Why?
Don't have it upside down like that.
Let's quit breathing when you're upside down.
Can I just...
Nope. Good job.
Oh my. Is there anything under there?
No.
Wait, how does it? Oh my god!
He bought you 12 packages of wrapping paper.
That's all
for
about
a
you.
present.
Be careful with it now.
Aw, I like this.
Did you forget to put it in there?
Do I really have to be careful with it? Yeah. Oh my god! Look at all of that. Ah. Okay. Is that all?
Yep.
Oh my. This is taking me so long.
Phone's gonna die.
What are you gonna do with the video?
Put it on Facebook.
Was a little thing inside. A big one. A blue box? What? You said you didn't know what Tiffany's was. Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
Read it.
Oh my god. Oh,
Do you like
I
it?
love it.
Good.
Thank you so much. You're like, I don't know. What is Tiffany's? What's that? I've never gotten a Tiffany's ring.
I hope it fits.
Which finger